today in this video, I will be reviewing my awesome new Fidget Cube. Oh! So, this is kind of like a fake because they're only meant to have 3 clicky bits. Who cares? I don't care. So, on this you have the Fidget joystick. If you're a gamer, you could just press it on the. And on this, you have this whatever it is, Fidget circular thing, and you have the buttons and this for letting all your stress out. And here are the little gears and the rolly thing. And here's my favorite one, the light switch. And else in here I have my fidget spinner. You must, if you watched my review on my fidget spinner, if you would have seen it. So comment about what you liked in this. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment saying I subscribed and it was cool. And maybe if some of my school friends are watching, I might give a free. Maybe I might, if my mother lets me, I might be able to give a free one to some of my friends. I'm not allowed to say my school name or my identity for my friends. So oh yeah, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment saying I subscribed, cool video. And for the video for if you didn't see my video for my fidget spinner, I'll leave the link in the description. Make sure to go to the description and read all the details. Thank you and goodbye.